Hey, beautiful souls. Do you ever feel stuck, drained, or like something just off? Like no matter what you do, you can't seem to move forward? That could be a sign your energy is blocked. Stick with me because today I'm sharing 3 clear signs your energy is out of whack and exactly how to fix it to get your vibe back to high. If you're ready to feel lighter, happier, and more aligned, hit that like button now and let's dive in. Energy is everything. It's the spark that fuels your creativity, your relationships, and your zest for life. But when it's blocked, it's like driving with brakes on. I've been there and I've learned how to spot the signs and clear the way. Today I'm breaking down 3 signs your energy is blocked, plus simple, powerful fixes you can start today. Oh, and don't forget to comment I'm ready below so I know you're in this with me. Sign number 1. You're exhausted. Even when you're sleeping enough, you wake up tired, drag through your day, and feel like you're running on empty. This isn't just physical fatigue, it's a sign your energy is stuck, like a clogged pipe. Maybe you're holding on to stress, negative thoughts, or even someone else's energy. How to fix it? Start with a grounding ritual. My favorite is the 5-minute barefoot walk. Go outside, take off your shoes, and walk on grass or dirt. Feel the earth's energy recharge you. Bonus tip, try a quick energy clearing breath work. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold on for 4 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. Do this for 3 rounds. It's like hitting reset on your energy. I'll drop a link to a guided version in the description. Try it and let me know how it feels in the comments. Sign number 2. You're stuck in a rut. Ever feel like you're living the same day over and over? Your goals feel out of reach and inspiration is nowhere to be found. This is a huge sign your energy is blocked, like a river dammed up. How to fix it? Shake things up with a decluttering ritual. Clear your physical space, your desk, your closet, even your phone. Clutter traps energy. Donate old clothes, delete old texts, and open a window to let fresh air in. Then set one tiny intention like I'm open to new possibilities. Write it down and keep it somewhere you will see daily. This signals to the universe you are ready to move forward. Pro tip: light a candle or sage to amplify the vibe. Who's tried decluttering to shift their energy? Share below. Sign number 3. You're drowning in negativity. Maybe you're snapping at people, overthinking everything, or just feeling heavy. This happens when your energy is clogged with toxic vibes, yours or someone else's. How to fix it? Try an energy protection practice. Start your day with visualizing a bubble of white light around you. It's like a shield against negativity. You can also carry a protective crystal like black tourmaline or amethyst. And here's a game changer. Limit time with energy vampires, people who drain you. Set boundaries and prioritize your space. Want more tips like this? Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any my next video. So there you have it, 3 signs your energy is blocked and how to fix them. To recap, if you're drained, ground yourself. If you're stuck, declutter. If you are negative, protect your energy. Start with one of these today and watch your vibe transform. Which sign resonates with you most? Drop it in the comments, number 1, 2, or 3. And let's keep this energy flowing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips to live your best high vibe life. I'll see you in the next one. Stay radiant.